Frog says he likes you. Oh, and Mud Frog says, I can read the future. By the way, a whole bunch of animals are about to attack you. They're coming straight at you. Oh, no, there they are. They're just waiting to... Oh, my God. They're here. Oh, my.
Oi, hello, it's me again, You know, I just hate you guys, I'm just gonna kill you.
Oh, no. Oh, no, Mud Frog says, I don't want to be a part of this. This is bad for you. Oh, no. Oh, my. Mud Frog says, you better run. Don't run for your life.
I'm green and sexy.
Run, he's coming.
Yeah.
Run. Oh.
Hello, Evertrue. Yeah. Take it to the chorus.
Oh, my God. Run. Mud Frog says it's a good thing if you run.
Are you guys...
Oh.
You should be rolling right now.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Meet me on the mall.
No, stuffed
Meet me
animal.
anywhere.
Okay, get the
My
stuffed
number
animal.
is 1-800-287-2001. It's a law enforcement, bitch.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, the Mud Frog said he's turning against you.